Is Ally Bank available? Hook, have you ever heard of Ally Bank? It's one of those online banks that people talk about, but is it actually available to you? In this video, we're going to dive deep into Ally Bank and explore whether it's a viable option for your financial needs. Context: the world of banking has changed drastically in recent years. With the rise of technology, traditional brick-and-mortar banks are facing stiff competition from online-only institutions. Ally Bank is one such institution, offering a wide range of financial products and services without the overhead costs associated with physical branches. Is Ally Bank available in your state? One of the first questions you might have is whether Ally Bank is available in your state. While Ally Bank operates nationwide, there are a few states where they don't offer certain products or services. For example, they don't offer mortgages in all states. To find out if Ally Bank is available in your area, you can visit their website and use their state availability tool. Simply enter your zip code, and they'll provide you with a list of products and services that are available to you. Ally Bank's product offerings. If Ally Bank is available in your state, you'll be able to access a variety of financial products, including savings and checking accounts. Ally Bank offers high-yield savings accounts and interest checking accounts. These accounts often come with competitive interest rates and no minimum balance requirements. Certificates of deposit, CDs. CDs are a great way to earn higher interest rates on your savings. Ally Bank offers a range of CD terms and interest rates to suit your needs. Money market accounts. Money market accounts offer a combination of savings and checking account features. They typically have higher interest rates than checking accounts but provide more flexibility than CDs. IRAs and retirement accounts. Ally Bank offers a variety of retirement accounts, including traditional and Roth IRAs, as well as workplace retirement plans. Auto loans. If you're in the market for a new or used car, Ally Bank can help you secure an auto loan. They offer competitive rates and flexible terms. Home loans. Ally Bank also offers home loans, including mortgages, home equity loans, and home equity lines of credit. The benefits of online banking. One of the biggest advantages of using an online bank like Ally is the convenience. You can access your accounts 24/7 from your computer, smartphone, or tablet. This means you can check your balances, transfer funds, pay bills, and more whenever it's convenient for you. Additionally, online banks often have lower fees than traditional banks. You may not have to pay monthly maintenance fees, overdraft fees, or foreign transaction fees. Is Ally Bank right for you? Whether Ally Bank is right for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, low-cost way to manage your finances, Ally Bank may be a good option. However, if you prefer the personal touch of a brick-and-mortar bank, Ally may not be the best fit. Here are some factors to consider when deciding whether Ally Bank is right for you. Your banking habits. Do you prefer to do most of your banking online? If so, Ally Bank may be a good choice. Your financial goals. What are you trying to achieve with your finances? Ally Bank can help you reach your goals, whether it's saving for a down payment on a home or building your retirement nest egg. Your risk tolerance. Ally Bank offers a variety of investment products, but it's important to understand the risks involved. If you're not comfortable with risk, you may want to consider other options. Conclusion. In conclusion, Ally Bank is a legitimate and reputable online bank that offers a wide range of financial products and services. Whether it's the right choice for you depends on your individual needs and preferences. If you're looking for a convenient, low-cost way to manage your finances, Ally Bank may be worth considering. Be sure to do your research and compare Ally Bank to other online and traditional banks to find the best option for you. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.